Learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this question here. So it's given, this question is given. So first thing what we have to do, we'll write this 10 by 3 as it is, multiply by, again this as it is, this whole thing will write as it is first, and the next step. So this, now look at this 10 by 3. So here is 3. So this 3 can be written as 3 raised to 1. So we'll write 10 here, multiply by, this 3 can be written as 3 raised to 1, and then we'll write here minus 3 raised to x minus 1 is equal to 81. So now what we can do here, for this one, we can also write this one as 10 into 3 raised to, for this part, because this is division and you can see the base is the same. So we can write here, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. So we can write here 3 raised to x minus 1, and this 3 raised to x minus 1 is as it is equal to 81. So now what you can see here, this is multiplication, there is 3 raised to x minus 1 along with this one. And this is the other term. This is because there is a minus sign in between. So this is 3 raised to x minus 1. So from this both things, we can take 3 raised to x minus 1 common. So we'll take here 3 raised to x minus 1. So what remains here is, here will be just 10. And the bracket will be just 10 from this part. 3 raised to x minus 1 is common. So 10 remains here. And here this is minus here. So we can write here minus. And this is already, this part is already taken common here. So there should be only 1 over here. So now let us write here is equal to 81. So I'll repeat this step. See here from this one, this 2 part, 3 raised to x minus 1 is common. So from this part only 10 remains, so that is in the bracket here. This is minus, so here will be minus. So this 3 raised to x minus 1 is here common. So what remains inside the bracket is just 1. So when you expand this, you get same as this part. So now we can do one thing here. We'll write here 3 raised to x minus 1. And this is multiplied by 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is 81. So you can do here 3 raised to x minus 1. So 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2 is equal to, and 81 can be 3 raised to 4, because if we multiply 3 4 times, we get 81. So now here what we can see, the base here is the same. So we can do one thing, this one a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So we'll use that law. That will be x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to 4. So this will be 3 raised to x plus 2 minus 1, that is going to be plus 1, is 3 raised to 4. So now again what you can see here, both the bases are same. So there is a rule, if the bases are same, the exponents should be same. So we will ignore the bases. So we can write here x plus 1 is equal to 4. Only we'll just take the exponents. So what will be x? X will be 4. And this plus 1 goes on the other side. So that is going to be minus 1. So the value of x is 3. So this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.